Okay, this is the Travelpro 22-inch mobile spinner. You can see here, and I just got it, and I'm gonna do a mock what I can fit inside packing for a trip. So there's a pair of shoes, my toiletry bag, and then packing cubes, just to give you an idea of what'll fit in. You can probably pack it even better than this. And you've got this top holder with some space, but that should fit pretty easily. Just trying it out here. Oh, I see this is open the bottom, this expandable part, but I don't need it. So there it is, full, and that's about a couple days clothes, pair of shoes, and your toiletry kit. And I haven't tried this yet, but I still got room, it looks like, for the laptop to fit in the front there. So I thought I'd do a quick review, putting some clothes in it, and then it does appear, I wanted to see with it loaded if it's, sometimes they tip, but it seems to be pretty good balanced. So we'll give it a spin hopefully soon.